Hello everybody, welcome back to Sparkle Web. So today I want to show us a simple project I built using Django. This is a student management system using Django. So I'm going to walk you through the functionalities of this software. So I did both front end using HTML and CSS and also using back end Django framework. Okay, so this is the dashboard. Okay, so if you look at here our logo or school name. So this is welcome. So I'm going to still work on this app. I'm going to add a user functionality where when a user logged in, it's going to show the username here. So that will be the second part of this project. So if you look at here, we have a student, welcome to student management system, and we have a dashboard here. So here, dashboard, if I click here, it will take me back to my home page. If I come here to view student, I can see you take me to student page where I can see students. Okay, and in these students I can view. Now if you look at, let's go back, look at this student table. We just have name, sex, class, and action, which is this view, edit, and delete, but just have three columns for this student interface. But if I click on view, you see we have name, we have sex, date of birth, class, parents name, and parents phone number. So this is like the detailed page. It shows you full details about the student. Okay, so I can go back here, it brings me back, or I can go ahead and add new. I can either add and register or cancel. Now, okay, I can still come here and say add student. This form will appear and I'm going to add all this. I can either register or I can cancel. Okay, I can cancel. All right, so and here I can also see my new students. So this dashboard is looking well. Both these cards you are seeing are functional. It can take me to view students, add new students. So even here, dashboard where we have student, add logger. So like I said in the second part, to complete this project, I'm going to add a user authentication where you need to sign up and sign in before you can access this dashboard. And this welcome message, the name of the user will be here. So let's go ahead and look at this. So if I go to view student, you see it. Okay, I can come here and say add new student. I can say Joy Michael, that's the name, and sex is female, date of birth, let's say 2014 February 28 27. Now class, I can say SS1. Parents name, I can say Mr. Bill Michael. Parent phone number 0000000. Okay, I'll go ahead and click on register. Once I register, you see Joy Michael, sex female, class SS1 has been added. Now if I want to view the full details of this student, I'll come here to view and I'm going to see both the name, sex, date of birth, class, and the parents mobile name and mobile phone number. Because I use 0, it's giving me a 0. Okay, but I can go ahead and edit this. Let's go back, let me edit and add the actual phone number 070456666. all right, so date of birth was 2014 February 27, and I'm going to edit. So let's, you will see I edited. Oh, it's male here, it's supposed to be female. Let's edit. It's going to be female, and let's add the date of birth again, 2014 February 27. Okay, let's update. All right, so you're seeing your Michael same. Now let's go ahead and view. Now when you see now the phone number, because I put the right phone number, is giving us the correct phone number. Let me zoom in so that you can see what I'm doing. All right, you now have the phone number. I can go back here, or I can as well add new. I can cancel. Okay, so we have been able to add. I can come back to dashboard, so I can go back here and see view, and I'll still see this Joy Michael. Okay, so I can also, this is it has a CRUD operation, that is to create, read, delete, and update. So we have created, we have edited. So let's assume I want to delete this based on OD. I just come here and delete. So that has been deleted. So I can new student here. I can still say, let me say email Okun John. All right, it's going to be a male. Date of birth is going to be 2021 March 10, and the class is going to be primary 5. Parents name, I'm going to say John Doe. Phone number 08148. All right, so I'm going to add. So as you can see, we now have Okun John and male primary 5. If I view, you see the parent phone number, parent name. All right, so I can go back here. I can also edit. I can edit or cancel. Now I can come back to my dashboard. So this is basically student management system. So if you need the source code, or you are eager to learn Django or to build a project like this, you can comment on the comment section, and I will make a separate video to show you how I was able to build this project from scratch using both HTML, CSS, and the Django framework. Now if I go back to my Visual Studio, all right, you can see my code, my app. This is my app that contains all my views. So as you can see, this is my view. All these are the views I use for this project. Okay, these are the views. This is the view for new student. This is the view to view all the students. This is to delete, view for edit, and to log out, and detail page where we have our view. So if you come here, you can also see my URLs. This is the URLs for all this. So if you need this source code, or you want me to teach you, or to do a separate video, or you want to enroll in my class, you want to take a Django full course from scratch to finish, you can as well comment in the comment section, and I will do well to locate you, and we can agree on terms. Or if you want to hire me to build student management system, or school management system, or inventory management system, or e-commerce website, please, you can as well put in the comment section. You can contact me for your own project. So thank you. That will be all for this video. So in our subsequent video, I'll show you how to build this from scratch. As you can see, my dashboard has hover effect. If I hover on this, it's going to give me a brown color. It has hover. This is the front end, and also it's looking nice. So